Welcome to GR PitSense Live. In racing strategy decides champions. PitSense Live is a real-time race strategy co-driver for Toyota GR Cup, helping teams choose the perfect pit stop lap before losing time. Even a one lap daily on pit decisions can drop a driver several places. Teams need data, not guesswork. PitSense Live predicts future lap times and tells engineers when to pit or stay out to maximize race gains. How it works? We train a model on Toyota GR Cup historical telemetry to forecast pace degradation and compute pit stop strategy advantages in real time. It is actually built on a lightweight data pipeline and deployed securely for instant access. Come to the demonstration for GR PitSense Live. Now we can select a car and the current lap. You can select the car here and the current lap. Current lap. The AI instantly compares the race outcomes if we stay out or pit now. We visualize expected gains and tire impact. Here AI comments pit on lap 2, gaining 23.5 seconds versus no pit. And the estimated pit lane loss second is 23.50. And driver and race snapshot available here. And you can see here you can change the car and based on the data it shows here driver and race snapshot and strategy comparison accordingly. And the predicted race is here. And thanks for the presentation. We will expand PitSense into a complete AI race engineer. Thank you, Toyota GR, and hack the track. Let's race smarter and win the strategy.